Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out the Yamaha Classic Guitar Beginner 8-piece set, a fantastic choice for anyone looking to start their musical journey. If you're interested in this set, check out the link below for the best deals available today. The Yamaha Classic Guitar Beginner 8-piece set is an excellent option for aspiring guitarists of all ages. At 25.6 inches, 650 millimeters, this guitar is perfectly sized for beginners, offering a comfortable playing experience that makes learning the basics a breeze. Yamaha's reputation for quality craftsmanship shines through in this beginner-friendly set. One of the standout features is the classic design of the guitar. The front plate is made of pine, known for its bright and resonant tone, while the side and back are crafted from Nato wood. This combination not only provides a rich and balanced sound but also contributes to the guitar's durability and playability. The set comes with everything a beginner needs to get started. Along with the guitar, you receive essential accessories such as a padded gig bag for easy transportation, a tuner to keep your guitar perfectly tuned, a strap for comfortable playing, and a set of picks to help you get the right sound. The included instructional materials and a spare set of strings ensure that you have all the tools necessary to begin your learning journey. The Yamaha Classic guitar features a traditional design with a smooth neck and easy-to-press frets, making it ideal for beginners to practice finger placement and strumming techniques. The quality construction and thoughtful design help to make learning enjoyable and less frustrating. In terms of aesthetics, the guitar has a classic look with its sleek finish and clean lines, making it a beautiful addition to any musician's collection. Whether you're strumming along to your favorite tunes or working on your own compositions, this guitar will inspire and motivate you. Overall, the Yamaha Classic Guitar Beginner 8-piece set is an exceptional choice for anyone starting their musical journey. With its high-quality build, comprehensive accessory package, and beautiful sound, this set provides great value and helps ensure a positive learning experience. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more gear reviews, and check out the link below to get your hands on the Yamaha Classic Guitar Beginner set. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.